Hello, guys. My name is Gabriel. I'm the chef tonight about the English class at 8 a.m. from the teacher Jose Troches. Nice to meet you. We're gonna cook tonight and traditional breakfast or dinner. So basically, you can have both in the morning or in the afternoon. Some of people use it on the in the midday, right? So they wake up at the midday. So right now we're gonna make the eggs, right? So principal thing is eggs, sausages, and mashed beans, right? So we're gonna refry the mashed beans, the eggs, and also the sausages. So I'm gonna put in the air fryer to no fry and to do these things a little bit healthy, okay? So I'm gonna put in the fryer, sorry, in the air fryer, and we're gonna cook too also the eggs here, okay? So right now, I'm gonna make the eggs. So basically, to make a mashed eggs, or I put one, then I put some salt. Right? Okay, right now you're gonna see in a little in the video, right? The receipt and the ingredients we're gonna use. Okay, so we make this. This is gonna be more big or big the eggs, right? Uh, Okay, you need to preheat before, right? To put the eggs. Okay, with the wood thing, we're gonna mix it, right? To make the eggs properly, like this. Oh, delicious. So we don't need to add more salt because we already have, okay? So, so the eggs is gonna be when you don't see any water, for example, or a lighting thing on top. So we have the eggs already. So you put in the plate. So on the traditional dinner from Honduras, we basically use eggs and beans, right? So we add also mantequilla. Mantequilla is like a white thing. We add it close to the beans. Okay. So we have tortillas. Tortillas is one of the basic things or the basic food we use normally in our life on Honduras, So we have tortillas, right? We're gonna put in the fryer to not spend a lot of time, right? So this plate is gonna be used to things that basically the air fryer and the kitchen, okay? So right now we're gonna do the beans, okay? With the beans we're gonna use manteca. So we use a vegetable manteca. It's like a kind of oil, right? So from Honduras, I think we have this in other countries, but I don't know here, right? So we're gonna do it here. Just gonna use oil, a little bit, like 2 or 3 spoons. Then I already mashed the beans, okay? So on these beans, I put some salt, pepper, and onions to get a better taste. Okay, we're gonna put the beans, 2 spoons of beans, right? Close. We're gonna check the sausages. Smell delicious. Jump, jump. So follow me on Instagram, like a Chef Gabriel Mancia. Oh, no, it's a joke. No worries. I don't have yet my Instagram in the future. Okay, in the future. I hope so. So we're gonna put the beans on one side. Okay, on one side, and we're gonna add salt and cumin. Okay, it's a ground cumin. Okay, we're gonna add salt. Yes. A less of teaspoon, right? I love beans. That's why I put a lot of salt. Okay. And we're gonna add cumin too, right? A little bit. So it's gonna give a taste to the beans. Look, we have the beans here. Okay. We're gonna mix it. You're gonna see the oil and the cumin is mixing right now. Okay. Jump, jump. Dum, 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 dum. Okay. Also, you can get the beans matched from the pulperia, okay, on the shops. Okay, you can get it on the shops. Normally, it costs like 60. It depend. Okay, so some of people is add chile to the beans. You know, let me check how many time I have. So okay, guys. So just I gonna show you a little bit. I gonna put a stop, and I will back in 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, guys, we have our plate. So basically, we finished our dinner for tonight, right? So we have a traditional dinner or breakfast here. Okay, lovely. Oh, jump, jump. Okay. So I hope so you enjoy the dinner, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye.